Lanosa. That's Lanosa with the ball. Lanosa puts it up, 2 points. Early top. Here's inbound to number 3, Vicente. That's Vicente attack. That's the 3 points on number 3.
Oo, nag-repair pala rin sa Salio.
That's inbound to Villanueva. Villanueva passes on to number 01, Fabon. Reverse. No rebound, Tangilan. Tangilan to Vicente. Vicente. To Tangilan, to Vicente. That's Vicente with the ball. Take it away by Lario. There's Lario with the ball. Lario with the basketball. There's the bounce side. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Lario with a 2 points.
Aldrin.
That's number 3 had the ball. Number 3 pass to number 1. Tangilan to Vicente. Rebound. Villanueva. That's Villanueva pass the ball.
Cashier ako.
That's number 18 Lanosa to Lario. Short. Rebound on Padre. That's the pass to number 3 Vicente. In and out. Rebound on Tangilan. 2 points. 5-2 is the score. Villanueva signaling the play. Pass about the number 01. Come on, back to Villanueva. There's a pass down on the shot clock. In and out. Rebound.
Thank you, Mama Cervantes Ranyola, for watching.
That's number 3, Vicente with the ball. Vicente loses the ball, taken away by Lanosa. That's Lanosa with the ball. Lanosa puts it up, 2 points. 5-4 is the score. 8 minutes on first quarter. That's send it out. Rebound on the Lario. Got about the number 3. Villanueva dropped the ball on the ball. Second ball by Vicente, number 6. Vicente to Padre. Padre to Vicente. Vicente attempt.
Yes! Wala.
Short. Rebound for the Rivers. Rebound.
Kita mo na.
Foul on number 21, Labaw. First room,
Wala
basket
kita
niya.
sa TV ang ano. Punta ko ng TV, punta ko ng screen sa YouTube. Kita ko ng kanang gabi. Bato.
That's an rebound.
Sure na, sir.
That's an inbound.
Thank you.
To number 03. Villanueva, jumper. Rebound Vicente. That's Vicente, loses the ball. Take the ball by another Vicente. Get the ball to Tangilan. Nugget, rebound. Villanueva won the rebound. That's Villanueva with the ball. Drop the ball. There's a bounce from Lanosa. Fake out. 2 points. Did lock at 6. That's Vicente with the ball. Vicente with the steal. Vicente number 6, 2 points. 8-6 is the score. That's inbound to number 18, Lanosa. That's Lanosa with the ball. Lanosa with the fake. Lanosa with the basketball. Pass the ball inside. Labo with the fake. That's the basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number 1. Tangilan. That's a bonus for Labo. Takes before 8-9 is the score.
Thank you, Padre Mark, for watching.
Vicente
Nako, tugpo ang nagakam.
from T. That's the 3.
Points by
Points, Vicente. 11-9 is the score. Villanueva, step one, that's a 2 points on Villanueva. 11-12 is the score.
Alexis Abbas for watching.
Tanggila Nagi, rebound on Pabon. There's Pabon with the ball. Pabon with the pass, 2 points on Lario. 11-14, 6 minutes, there's another steal on Villanueva. That's Villanueva with the ball. Villanueva with the pass, Pabon with the ball. Pabon with the closer, up the glass, 2 points. 11-16 is the score. There's a 5-point lead now for Barangay Daco. Vicente spend 2 points on Vicente. 13-16. That's an illegal pick on number 21. Illegal screen, illegal pick. That's an offensive foul. That's a block by Labao. Substitution. Labao moves out. There's a inbound. There's a layup. Lanosa. The ball, drop the ball, better about that ball on Lanosa. With a 2 points. 13-18 is the score. 5 minutes. Vicente, another 2 points on Vicente.
Nanonood niya ng tres na yung Vicente
16 na baliskan din agang naroon 61 na ina. That's number 3, Vicente with the ball. Foul on number 19, Cervantes. 14 on the shot clock. Ten on the shot clock. Tangilan, 2 points. Good luck at 18. Lanosa. Toss the ball. Villanueva with the ball. Villanueva to Lanosa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Favon.
For 3.
The Ogi. There's the pass on Vicente. There's Vicente with the ball. There's the top from Villanueva. There's Villanueva with the ball. Lays it up. 2 points. 4 minutes. 18-20 is the score.
Nice.
Tangilan with the 2 points. It's now at 20. That's number 19, Cervantes with the ball. Pass the ball to number 18, Lanosa. That's Lanosa with the ball. Pass the ball to Lario. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Lanosa with a 3. Rebound with a tip. Taken by number 3, Vicente. That's Vicente with the ball. Vicente with a crossover. Vicente with a reverse. Pass the ball away. Simple.
Ball.
That's not the inbound. 10 on the shot clock. Tangilan, 3 points. Villanueva with the ball. That's a pass. Foul on number 6. Timeout, Barangay Daco.
Thank you, Divine, for watching.
Rebound Lanosa. Grabe din. Vicente with a behind the back. Castillo.
For three!
Get it out. Rebound. Put back. Right, another rebound on Lanosa. Yes, Lanosa with the ball. Lanosa with the pass. There's a fake from Belgium rebound. 2 points. Did block at 23. Yes, Vicente with the ball. Vicente with the pass. Behind with the ball fake. Block. Substitution. Now he moves out. That's inbound. In and out. Rebound. Lanosa. That's Lanosa with the ball. Drop the ball. That's a steal on Vicente. That's Vicente with the ball. Vicente to Tangilan.
Salamat Aljan Vargas for watching.
Ano si sa ano ba? Ivy.
Castillo with the ball. Tangilan. Another attempt. Rebound to Pabon. 2 minutes. Pabon with the ball. Reverse. 2 points. 23-25. 1 minute and 50.
Thank you,
Remaining.
Levanto, for watching.
1 minute and 45. There's another steal. There's a pass on Belgian Weber. Lights up. 2 points. 23-27. Vicente with the ball. Pass the ball. Castillo back the ball outside on Vicente. Yes, Vicente with a pass to number 10, 16, Apaya. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Castillo gets a 2 point.
Tuglang ka. Kala ko to.
Reserve the reserve. Belgian Weber with the ball.
Thank you, Kevin.
Belgian Weber to the
Thank you
ball.
for
Extra
watching.
pass. Cervantes. Getting out. 1 minute remaining. That's a cross pass. Belgian Weber with a counter steal. That's a pass. Substitution. Pabon moves out. $50. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. And on the shot clock, Tangilan with a long 2. Is left 27.
Ayan.
30 seconds. Lanosa. Nugget, rebound Lanosa. Foul number 4.
Salamat Lance Kerwin.
First row, basket
Vincent
down,
Cabos,
23
sa
seconds.
Sa natin live. Ang kanan Santubo versus Dako.
Rebound Tangilan. 20 seconds.
Remaining time for first quarter.
Castillo, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Tangilan. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Passer ng kasunod sana. And that's the end of the first quarter scores. 27-30. And we more of Barangay Daku.